Welcome to TronLink. TronLink is a Tron decentralized wallet, with local storage of private key, and multi-layer algorithm encryption that ensuring data security. TronLink Wallet support TRX and all TRC10 and TRC20 tokens. Serve all global Tron users. Support resource freeze, unfreeze, and voting. Enable users to get deeply involved with Tron's ecosystem building. Easy to create or restore wallets, support multiple wallet account creation. With desktop software, browser extension, mobile apps all in one, TronLink provides everything you would ever need in all situations. TronLink Wallet is secure and easy to use, with full-featured Tron functionality. TronLink registration. To register for TronLink, you need to go to the official site at www.tronlink.org. Click on the Chrome extension button. Click on the Chrome Web Store, which will take you to Google Chrome Web Store, so you can add the TronLink wallet as an extension Chrome app on your browser. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension, and open the wallet app on your browser. Insert your password and repeat it. If you have a TronLink wallet, you can restore your wallet on the browser you currently working on. Or simply click Create in order to create a new wallet. Choose the name you will like to call your wallet and insert it in the Account Name tab. Click Continue. Reveal the 12 secret backup phrase words and write them down in the order that appears. Make sure to keep the words in a safe place and only then continue the process. Here are some safety recommendations. Note down the backup phrase physically on a paper and store it in a safe place. Make multiple copies of the backup phrase and secure it in safe places, away from each other, so that even if you lose one copy, you can still access your wallet. Avoid storing your backup phrase in a virtual location with an open internet connection. Never share the phrase with anyone. Note: backup phrase is the only way to access your TronLink wallet. If you have access to the backup phrase, you will be able to access and restore your TronLink. Once you have written down the words, you need to arrange them in the correct order. And click Confirm. Congratulations, you just created your TronLink wallet and you are ready to go. Now you can send and receive TRC assets, engage with smart contracts, dApps, and DeFi projects. You can vote and participate in the Tron ecosystem and much more. Tron is simple. Tron is fast. Tron is easy. Move fast, grow fast. Tron.